My name is Mithitilan Hanalong. My nickname is Mai. I'm 15 years old. I'm studying in Mathayom 4 at St. Phước School. Today, I will cover dance in the song name Oh. I choose this song because the one of Girl Generation song. Which Girl Generation is my idol. They can dance many styles. So I choose this show. Please, you can see now.